may remember we talked about leaf mould. Well, we got Charlie digging off. Now, if you see what he's digging off the leafy stuff, but just look at what we've got under here. Look, just look at that. That is pure gold. Leaf mould. Gardener's gold, that is. So all we're getting rid of is the dry stuff that hasn't actually rotted down, and then what we'll do is we can then use this as a mulch on, particularly we're going to clear an area of rhododendron, so we want to use it around there. So there, look at that, that shouldn't go on there, that's too good. I think we'll put that back, Charlie, don't you? Just take the edges off. This bit here is no good, you see up here. See, that's just like leaf, look. That's no good at all, is it? We'll put that in that other bin, and then we'll jump on that bin, add a bit more of the leaf as we go, and we should end up with a lovely drop of leaf mould. Yeah, look at that, that's no good. I'll tell you what, by next year that will be good. It's just a reminder of what you can achieve just by stacking. Look at that, that is lovely. Beautiful, beautiful leaf mould. Rotted. Even smells nice. Bit of weed there growing, but we'll get rid of that sticky weed. So if you want to learn about making leaf mould, quick way to do it is black polythene bag, get a fairly sturdy one, fill it with leaf, put a bit of something like garrotter in it or something like that, or just tie it up, punch your holes in it with a knife all the way round, leave it behind your shed, forget all about it for at least a year, tip it out, and you'll find you've got leaf mould as good as we're digging out here. So there are more tips from World Radio Gardening. Look at that stuff. Dig, dig, dig. Whoa, yeah. Dig off the old soft stuff, and then we're down to the really nice stuff. That's what you want. Leaf mould. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.